Alright, welcome back. In this video we're going to continue with some advanced modeling. Looking at this part, which includes diameters, it includes radiuses, and then again it's in millimeters. So I'm going to start by clicking Create, Document, give it whatever name you'd like. First thing I'm going to do, because I am in millimeters, I need to click on these three lines. It says Workspace Units. I'm going to switch my inches to millimeters. I'm going to start a new sketch on my front, getting that sketch plane. On the left hand side where it says top, front, and right, I'm going to turn these three eyes off. Looking at my view cube, clicking on front so that I'm looking directly at it. First thing I notice in this part is that I have a rectangle. The width of the rectangle is 60, the height is 25. So using my rectangle tool, off my center point, that bottom number is 60. My height is 25. First thing I notice is that this circle is directly in the middle. So I'm going to find that center and drag it out. Then I've got another circle that's 15 millimeters off that same center point. I could certainly use that trim tool and trim out what I don't need. Notice that changed my lines to blue, don't worry about it. I can certainly come back and put those dimensions, or put that dimension in so that it changes to black and it's constrained. On the left hand side here I've got a rectangle. So I'm going to use my rectangle tool along that left edge. Not worrying about the dimensions here. I'm going to come back in using dimension. Start out by placing my width. Width is 28. Height is 12. Now in order to center it, right, I'm going to take my 25, my overall, subtract my 12, and that would leave me with 6.5 or 13 on each side, so 6.5. So from here to here is 6.5. That's centered, and I'm ready to extrude it. I'm going to hit my green check. I like to do my extrusions from the isometric view. Extrude. I'm going to click on my part. My extrusion is 20 millimeters. Right? I'm going to do the circle at the end here. Actually, I can do both of these extrusions in one, so I'm going to do a new sketch on top. Again, looking directly at the top. I've got a circle that is 10 millimeters. Looks like it is dimensioned 10 millimeters from this front side. And 10 millimeters from this back side. My green check. Actually, I take that back and I'm going to come back in. Notice I just double clicked on my sketch. I'm going to put my rectangle in here. Again, dimensioning. This distance is 10. Here to here is 5. And then from this back side to this edge is 30. So back side to this edge here is 30. Finish sketch. Go to isometric. Click on extrude. And I can select all three of these. Okay? But now that's adding material. I want to remove material, making sure that it does go all the way through. Alright, there is advanced modeling number 3. Thank you.